TV sucks the brain right out of the skull. So, next seminar, we'll probe the content of television.
Professor McClure,
Well, of course, the content of television is movies, but the message of television is what it does to us, the users.
Are you saying that the medium is more important than the message it carries?
No. The medium is not more important than the message. It's obvious. The medium is the message.
This Canadian changed the way the world thinks about communications.
Is the message, then the content must be the audience. And of course, electronic information is turning the world into a global village.
Oh my god! There was a rape in Mahalakshmi.
What?
A girl was gang raped by 5 guys in Mumbai. And the news is in the newspaper.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. I saw the 5 guys. They're wanted. It's viral. The news is like 5.
They got a sketch or something?
Yeah, they have 5 sketches of the guys.
Now that the news is in the newspaper, these guys will definitely be arrested.
Are we sure?
I'm reading the same thing. It's terrible.
Good morning, Mumbai. We hear the saddest news of gang rape in Mumbai of the photojournalist.
Oh God.
What? What happened?
In support of the girl, we have a rally at 5 in the evening.
Why?
There's been a rape case in Mahalakshmi with this photojournalist girl.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, it just happened.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Can you imagine that?
In Mumbai?
In Mumbai.
Whoa.
I'm listening to the radio and there's a rally today at 5 o'clock for her. We have to go. I'll broadcast it on WhatsApp.
Yeah, I'll do that too, man.
Yeah, you should do it.
मुंबईत काल संध्याकाळी लोअर परेल या भागामध्ये शक्ती मिल कंपाऊंड या भागात एका इंग्रजी मासिकाच्या छायाचित्रकाराच्या तरुणीवर सामूहिक बलात्कार करण्यात आलेला आहे आणि या घटनेत पुन्हा एकदा महिलांच्या
कळतच नाही रे काय चालू काय 2-3 दिवसापूर्वी असं झालं
घटना गेल्या काही दिवसापूर्वी
2 दिवसापूर्वी एका मुलीला कोणीतरी छळ केली त्याची
काही
म्हणा
दिवसापूर्वी
आता काय बोलायचं
तरुणीवर ऍसिड
बरोबर
बसला
आहे.
होता